Hello guys, it's another day, it's another unboxing, and I just got this from eBay. It's the Shoei NXR stable helmet. You can see NXR stable, 5-year warranty is this thing, and there it says for safety here on the box, and below it there are some Japanese katakana, I think, characters, and it says Herumeto wa, I don't know what this is, Shiku Kagaramasho. I was in desperate need of a new helmet because I gave the old one to my brother. The old one was Arai, what was it? We have a leaflet here. The old one was, no, this is not a leaflet, this is the pin lock. This helmet is only 300 euro and it has the pin lock. And disclaimer, I bought this helmet with my own money, so I'm not paid to do this video as usual, as most of my videos until now. And on the box here we have these really nice packagings. These are some fitments here and some soft things. I will check them later to see what they are, but let's see the beauty, the real beauty. What was I was about to say? Yeah, my previous helmet was the Arai. What was its name? It's the touring Arai Tour X4. Yes, Arai Tour X4. It's a pretty nice helmet, but since I don't have my Africa Twin anymore, and yeah, I have a video about my Africa Twin, I had to buy a different style of helmet because I had other motorcycle. And oh my, it's a beauty, it's a work of art. This cloth is pretty nice fabric and it's very soft inside. And this is the helmet. It's a brand new Shoei NXR helmet. There is an NXR 2 helmet, which is a newer model, but this one is the older model and it's still pretty good. You may have seen in my other videos I rode with my wife's helmet. My wife's helmet is pink and it has butterfly on it. So this here is the opening for the vents. Oh, it's very nice and soft. And we have on the back here, we have other openings for the back air, the exit. We have this pretty nice lining here, rubber lining. It's like a rubber, and there are the emergency pulls that if you crash, but I hope you will not crash and I will not crash. Yeah, these are used from the emergency first responders to pull the side, the chin cushions, and to get out your head. And of course the helmet has the double D locking mechanism, which Fortnite said was the best locking mechanism. And what else do we have on top? We have another vent here. So we have these two vents and we have another vent for maybe for your forehead, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty nice. This is the first brand new helmet that I'm buying, and I'm riding actually no, I lied to you. I bought many years ago I bought an Aero helmet, Aero, which looks a bit like Arai, but is Aero, and it was a bad helmet, yeah. But so this is the second, and this is actually the most expensive helmet that I buy. It was heavily discounted. Brand new, these go for like 400, 500 euros, and it's pretty light. This one is pretty light. It says 130 grams. So let's remove this here. I want to get rid of it. There are things like instructions for the visor, for the system, what systems is using, but I will look at them later, I hope, and we'll just remove them like that, and I will put them. There is a outlet here that you can use, and it fits here in this nice place. So when you close it, it gets here, and when you open it, it's actually pretty smooth. This double D, it's very secure, but it's a bit hard to put helmets on with this thing, especially when you wear gloves. Each time I have to put this thing, I have to remove my gloves, and let's put the helmet. And yeah, this is the moment of truth, guys and girls, if you are watching. Yep, it's very snug actually. I hope it will soften a bit, but it's alright, and I put the double D. It's easy when you're with bare hands, but it's a bit harder when you are with how do I look? When you are with gloves, especially winter gloves. And yeah, inside it's actually pretty nice. It's not very soft, and when you measure helmets, I was told by a dealer that they should be pretty snug. They should be on the edge of uncomfortable, because with time they will get softer, and this foam will contract. And also, if you fall, it's supposed to be really snug, not to wobble with your head on the pavement. But yeah, I advise not falling with one of these, because it's pretty nice. It's very pretty. I don't know how it will go with my motorcycle. My motorcycle is light blue color, and I wanted a light blue helmet, but this will suffice. It's pretty good, and it's not pink, and doesn't have a butterfly. Yeah, let's see the pin lock. Should I install the pin lock? I will first try it without the pin lock, but yeah, for 300 euros it was included with the pin lock. And now we are gonna test it on my motorbike, my brand new almost 40-year-old bike that I bought last November. Oh, I almost forgot the small packaging with the leaflet, the warranty materials, E3. There are 2 stickers. Who wants stickers? No, I will not put them on my bike. I don't like such things. Some instructions in Japanese and in English. Is this a chin guard? Chin guard? I don't know. And yes, I put the chin guard. You can see it's transparent. I guess if you ride in colder climates, or if you are worried from mosquitoes and bees. I had a pretty nasty encounter with bees 2 times. First time it was when I was riding my motorcycle. I was young, around 10-11 years old, and I was riding my father's motorcycle. It's a 50cc motorcycle, and I was riding it on a road at my village, and I was using short pants, and one bee entered inside the pants and inside my thighs, and made a pretty nasty deal. I was unable to stop so quickly, but it was painful for several days after it. And the other time that I had it, one bee I don't know how, entered. I was riding with full gear, with my jacket, and one bee entered beside my head, on my neck, and yeah, made a pretty nasty deal there. I don't know what's with these bees and motorcycles. Yeah, we are gonna test this helmet now, so stay tuned. So I'm going to take my motorbike, and I just discovered that the carrying pouch of this pretty nice helmet can be used like that. You strap it around your shoulder, and it's pretty nice to carry it around. And yeah, now let's ride with the Shoei NXR. Was it NXR? I always forget this name. But yeah, this is how we put the double D here. I don't know if it's seen, but yeah, you have to tighten it pretty good. And then you close the lid and you jump on the bike. And when you jump on the bike, you are ready to roll. Oh, it's cold. It doesn't want to go. Let me open the... Is it open? No, now it's open. Put some air inside. It's very cold. It's the middle of February. The other day it was 14th of February. Now it's 16th of February. How is the wind noise? Oh, I'm hearing some wind noise. Let me close this one. There is a wind noise, but probably I will have to put the chin guard here, because currently there is some amount of wind noise, and when I'm breathing, because it's cold, the lid becomes foggy. I should put the pin lock. But even if I breathe hard, it fogs up a bit, but still it's okay. And there is some wind noise, I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know which is close, which is not. I forgot to turn on my lights. Yeah. Maybe it's something with the windshield. And for now it's very interesting, this helmet. But it's still very snug. I guess with time it will soften a bit and it will be better. I hope it will be better. But this may not be a wind sound. This may be sound from income from one of these plastic panniers on my motorcycle. This motorcycle is pretty old. I will have to make a video about it. And the helmet smells very new. Like a new plastic, but high quality plastic, not the one that you got from cheap AliExpress gadgets. The build quality is pretty nice, and even now when I'm talking it fogs up a bit, but then it quickly dissipates the fog. I wonder how it will be in the rain, and I guess the sound is here because I didn't put any of the chin guards. Maybe this is the issue with this helmet. Actually, when I close this opening here, this hatch, I don't hear it much, but in cold weather my lid is starting to fog up. So yeah, it's either wind noise or fog. Yeah, overall we'll see how it goes in the long term. The only thing that I don't like for now is the wind noise. But maybe it's windy today, I don't know. And now for the final test. Let's see, will this helmet fit in my trunk? So to open the trunk on the PC800, you have to pull this lever here, and then you pull the whole thing up. And you see, I already have two helmets here. This is the pink one that I told you about, and this is my bike helmet. So let's see, will it fit? Woo! It's perfect. It fit perfect. Let's close the lid and see. Yep, it closes. And yeah, I will test a bit more. Maybe I will put a final review. This is my wife's helmet, and it has butterfly, as you may have known from this video. And this is the brand new Shoei. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.